Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the railway service in Jamaica. Now the Jamaican government has been trying to get the railway service restored in Jamaica. And this is the passenger railway service. The trains still run in Jamaica. They're used by the bauxite companies to transport their goods from the plant to the port. And students use the train in a pilot project to move around to get to and from school. From Spanish Town to Linstead or Spanish Town to Old Harbour. It's a pilot project. But the government wants to restore the passenger line service. So you can take a train from Kingston to Montego Bay. You can take it, they're looking at it as well in terms of tourism. So you can take a train to the Appleton estate and take the tour. So they are trying to get the passenger service up and running. So we're going to give you an update, and we're going to go through an article giving an update as to what is going on with the passenger train service. Government open to partnerships to restore rail service. Minister of Transport and Mining, Honorable Audley Shaw, says the government is committed to getting the trains rolling again and is prepared to forge the necessary partnerships in the undertaking. He said the revival of island-wide rail service will take several hundred millions of US dollars and will include putting in a new bridge to go to Spanish Town, and that alone is going to cost about US $8 million. The minister indicated, however, that the investment is worthwhile and will reduce the costs now associated with transporting people and goods across the island and rehabilitating damaged road infrastructure. Our roads can't keep up with the damage from all the goods that we have to transport. When we have railway lines, we can carry goods as well as people, he pointed out. So I am going to revive the railway service, and if we want to do it in partnership, let me read that again. So I'm going to revive the railway service, and if we have to do it in partnership with overseas people who have technology and money, then we will carry out that partnership and get it done, he emphasized. When I listened to the history that Jamaica was the 4th country in the world to have a railway system, and now we have none, it is totally unacceptable, Mr. Shaw said, stressing that it is time to get the train service going again. The minister was speaking during a recent tour of the Jamaica Railway Corporation's JRC terminus in West Kingston. There are plans to restore the Kingston rail service, starting with a culture yard tour by 2023, under the Jamaica Social Intervention Community Rail Project, which involves collaboration between the University of Technology and the University of Birmingham in the United Kingdom. The plan is to transport passengers by train from Kingston to 3 Miles and then to Culture Yard in Trenchtown. General Manager of the GRC, Donald Hanson, said the work being done at the Kingston terminus is a start of something major to come. This initiative is just going to take us to 3 Miles, but once we start, we don't think we will stop. We want to go all the way to Montego Bay, he said. We have a tourist train that will soon come on stream from Montego Bay to Appleton Estate, and a second phase is to get this train to Spanish Town, and then from Spanish Town we can go to Appleton. But our major problem is the bridge over the Sandy Gully. It is over 800 feet long and it's basically down in the Sandy Gully, he pointed out. Indicating that there is an appetite for the railway, Mr. Hanson said the JRC has been receiving requests for freight service. We are preparing some coaches right now, some equipment to start carrying the freight, he said. Head of UTech School of Engineering, O'Neill Josephs, who was also on the tour, said the cooperation between the institution and the University of Birmingham will infuse significant technical knowledge and expertise in government's rail restoration program. The universities have signed a memorandum of understanding for the Jamaica Social Intervention Community Rail Project. This will support community development while preserving and promoting the history of rail in Jamaica through museums and other educational outlets. Technical Director for the project, Roy Howell, said there are some equipment and machinery at the Kingston terminus which are still operational. The workshop is very much active. The school train project is being maintained from here, he informed. Mr. Howell further advised that there are about 9 trains in the workshop that are in various states of disrepair. One is about 80% complete, and we hope to have it done as soon as we can get a radiator for it, he said. The school train service, which was piloted in January, takes students from Old Harbour to Linstead, and Linstead to Spanish Town, where they are transported to respective schools via Jamaica Urban Transit Company buses. British High Commissioner to Jamaica, Her Excellency Judith Slater, as well as Canadian High Commissioner to Jamaica, Her Excellency Emina Tukovic, also participated in the tour. Alright, so that's the end of the article. So the student train that they spoke about, it's up and running. We actually have videos up on the channel of the train pulling into the Old Harbour station and the children getting off. It's an excellent project, and I just hope they're able to expand the project, the student train project, so that more students can use it. So basically include more cities or towns along the railway lines so that more students can use it. But it's an excellent project and it's working well. I think they said up to 16,000 students a day use that pilot project. And to get the train running from Kingston to Montego Bay, that would be an excellent idea. Because remember, most of these tracks are there already. You just have to upgrade them or fix them because they haven't been used or upgraded in years. But the train lines are there. The land that the lines are on belong to the JRC. So it can be done. It's going to be expensive, but in the same way that the highways were built and they pay for themselves with the collection of the toll, persons will pay to use the train. You might not make a profit the first couple of years, but overall you will make a profit, and also Jamaica will move forward with a better transportation system. Alright guys, let us know what you think about the government plans to restore the train service. Alright guys, have a good day.